All right. All right, boys. Oh, once again, I feel really small in the camera because it kind of comes down and then I'm up. All right. So what I want to do, I went ahead this morning. I was talking about purchasing some asset. I went ahead and I actually purchased it. And what I would like to do is fool around with it and figure it out and see if I did fool around with it a little bit on my Mac, but it's a little difficult to kind of accomplish anything on my Mac since the screen is pretty small, or at least there's a better setup here. So I thought, okay, well, let me try it on this computer and see if I can get anything better going on. So the asset I bought, it's really awesome. Just what little bit I've seen of it, it's very modular, so you can kind of stack floors on top of floors, so you can actually create really tall buildings, which actually might be relevant to the very first incarnation of this game that I had, where I wanted it to all take place in a single building, and now it's just turned into this open world, let me see what I can create kind of game. But yeah, so I wanted to kind of just look at the assets that I bought, because there's about, what is there? There's like 8 different buildings in the asset itself, and I just wanted to see if I could get it working. I mean, I got it working before, but I wasn't able to walk into the buildings. I wasn't able to open the door or anything like that. So I just kind of want to look at it, see what's going on with this asset, if Unity would ever bother loading, which apparently I guess it's going to take its sweet old time, because it has to go through and just do its thing with all of it. So anyway, it's Friday night. I hope everybody's having a fantastic Friday night. I am having a Friday, just a Friday to begin with, and we're gonna see how long it's going to take Unity to load up. It's going to take a while. So I hope so. I did find out some news. I did find out that I am planning. Well, the plan now for my travel. Oh yeah, I wanted to add this. But the plan now for my travel is to leave on January 18th and go directly to Bangalore, India. That's going to be a pain in the ass. I will not be taking Indian Airlines. Nope. I have heard so many nightmares about Indian Airlines. Even though there is a direct flight from Washington to Delhi, will not do it. Just not going to do it. People get sick. The airline is old. You pay a lot of money for terrible, for business class. Not going to do it. So I got to figure out how I'm going to go. The last time I went from Washington to Paris and then Paris to India, that is a long journey. I wouldn't mind kind of splitting it up. Maybe I'll leave like a day early and go to, I don't know. Let's look at where I could go, because actually I could do that now that I think about it. I could. So let's see. So flights from Bengaluru. So let's see. We have Munich. I've never been to Munich. I have been to Germany. Here's Frankfurt, Germany. Then there's Amsterdam. I've not been to Amsterdam in a long time. There's London. I have no desire to go to London. And then there's Paris. Now, of course, there's Ethiopia. I was just in Ethiopia. I was at the airport in Ethiopia. I just flew Ethiopia Airlines. Is that what this is? Yeah, it's Ethiopian Airlines. But no, I don't think I'm going to go Ethiopia. Let me see. There's really, okay, Jeddah. I don't want to go. I really don't want to go anywhere in the Middle East. I mean, okay, then there's Mauritius, but it's not as though there's a direct flight from Dulles Airport to Mauritius, so I don't know about that either. Male, Agata. So really the only options in terms of flights from Europe that I could go to are Munich, Frankfurt, Amsterdam, Paris, and London. Now, what about Munich? Now, where is the Black Forest? Black Forest, Germany. I've always wanted to see the Black Forest in Germany. Like, and because the Black Forest is like this, it's this very mysterious, dark presence that is just, it's the Black Forest. Ooh, it's the black, it's so dark. But let's see where it's at. Black Forest is, it's here. Wait a minute. I want to, no. Okay, so it's this part, but I don't know if it's, let's see. It's near Zurich, near Switzerland. Where's Munich? There's Frankfurt. Okay, there's Munich. Looks like Frankfurt would actually be closest. Let's see if, but I'm not, okay, let's say I went to, I've never been to Frankfurt. What, is there a direct flight from Frankfurt to, from Dulles to Frankfurt? Let's see. Yes, there is. So that is by United Airlines, of course. My United Airlines. I do love myself some United Airlines. It is an 8-hour flight, and then I would imagine from Frankfurt to Bangalore, it's probably about another 9 hours or so. Let's see. Frankfurt to Bangalore is 10 hours. It's about a 10-hour flight, and that's Lufthansa, which I think I took Lufthansa. I can't remember if I took Lufthansa or something else. No, I took Air France when I went the last time. Okay, so let's see. So that's Frankfurt is one possibility. What else is a possibility? Like, I was not really super impressed with Germany. Like, but I was in Germany in 2014, 2015. I wasn't super impressed with it. It was okay, but it wasn't as though, oh my God, I got to go back to Germany one day. It just wasn't. Okay, what if I did go to Jeddah? I don't even know if I can go to Jeddah. That's in Saudi Arabia. Can I go to Jeddah? Let me see. I can from IAD to Jeddah with Saudi Arabian Airlines. Oh, it's a 14-hour flight. No, not going to do it. I'm thinking what we're going to do, I'm thinking maybe I will split this up and just go to, I mean, I could go to good old Amsterdam for a couple of days, right? Like, I mean, you always have fun in Amsterdam. Amsterdam's kind of like Vegas without the heat, really, and like without the I mean, although I have not been to Amsterdam in several years. Actually, probably over 20 years was the last time I went to Amsterdam. But it has been a minute. But yeah, we could try that. We could go to Amsterdam. I'm kind of voting either Amsterdam or let me look at Munich again. I mean, maybe Munich? Oh man, it's tough. Wait, where did Bangalore go? There's Bangalore. Okay, Munich. Let me just look at the flight. Okay, so again, it's either going to be Amsterdam. I've spent time in Paris. I have no idea to spend time in Paris again. I just don't. I'm sorry, but Paris is a bit of a dump. I mean, I know lots of people have like this Parisian dream, like, I want to go to Paris. Oh my God, Paris in the summer on the French Riviera. Like, no, I have absolutely no desire to go to Paris. None at all. So I'm kind of thinking it's going to be Frankfurt. I'm thinking it's going to be Frankfurt. Don't quote me on that. Then again, I might just end up doing what I did the last time. And what that was is I went from here to Paris, and then I think I had about a 6-hour layover. So in Charles de Gaulle Airport, what I did was I rented like one of those, like you can get like these in-airport hotel rooms. So that's what I did the last time I went to India. I basically arrived in Paris. Oh, but wait a minute. I just thought of something. When I went to Paris, I had like 4 or 5 Diet Mountain Dews in my carry-on. But when I got to Paris to go to India, I had to go through security again. And they took all my Diet Mountain Dews. Okay, so Paris is out of the question. I'm thinking Amsterdam. I just get this. I just get this impression that Amsterdam might be a dump. I could go to London. And visit Matthew, although Matthew's in Manchester. I don't know how far London is from Manchester, where Matthew lives. If Matthew ever bothered to come into the chat room again, I would know. But since he is a wanker, as they say in England, and never comes in the chat room again, I'll never know. So, whatever. So I guess I'm never meeting Matthew. Just put that in there. So I don't know. All right, let's get to the purpose of this stream, which is to fool around with the asset. Okay, let me reload. Which is to use this new asset that I got and see if I can get it like functional. Oh, you can see this huge building. I didn't realize I had saved this. Wait, is it reloading? What's it doing? Okay, there we go. Okay, let's start small, or let's start with one, right? I think that might have been building one. So we have orb. Oh, we have scenes. What are the scenes? All right, let's look at this. Okay, let me save. Let's see what the scenes are. But I'm pretty sure these are not like walking around scenes. Okay, well, wait a minute. Here we go. I mean, look at this. And the thing is like they have interiors. It has interiors. Like, how amazing are these? Like, this is just and I love that it's actually very like it's very like East Germany feel to it. Oh, it's so awesome. Okay, let's just go back over here. Let's just go over here. All right. So what we're gonna do is this. Yeah, this is our lovely scene. All right, we're gonna go over here. We're not gonna do the goth girl. We're not gonna do the goth girl. Okay, I'm so funny. All right, so we're gonna go here and I don't know, man. I don't know. Okay, so let's move this. An abandoned house, and then what we're going to do is we're going to I think we'll just let's look at what the smallest one is. That elephant girl, it was an accident, unfortunate. Okay, no, that's the one I was just looking at. I want to get a small building. Like, all these buildings are like too big. It's too big. Okay. Circle corner long single. Oh my gosh. All right. I mean, it's as though I'm given too many options, really. Okay, what is this? Wait. Go back. Would you please dock again? Okay. Oh my gosh. I dock. Do I need to do this? No. Oh my gosh. Okay. There we go. Is this the... Let me see. Oh, wow. What a great set of assets. Circle. Oh my gosh. You ever seen... What was the movie with Chris Rock and Wesley Snipes back in the 90s? And they were... Oh my God. What was... New Jack City? Is that what it was called? New Jack City? Where basically they take over this apartment building and like... Yeah, New Jack City. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is it. That's what this reminds me of, right? That's what this asset here reminds me of. Whoa. Like, look at that. That's huge. Okay, but we're not going to... Whoa. Okay, Control Z out of this. Control Z. Okay, thank you. All right, so that's too big. No, done. Let's see, what about this? Okay, so is that a complete building? It doesn't look like a complete building. Now I need to drag it on. Oh, it does kind of look like a complete building. Okay. Let's take a look at this. This is what? 3 floors? 4 floors. It's 4 floors. It has a front door. It has like some balconies and stuff. And it has an... Oh my gosh! I want to move into this building. Okay, so the scale is not perfect. Now, the scale on the other building was 1.8. Now, I'm just going to go out on a limb, and I'm going to make the scale on this 1.8. So let's see. Scale 1.8. 1.8, 1.8. Okay. I mean, that does not look terrible. Okay, where's the front? Okay, I might have to change this by 90 degrees. Okay. So if I rotate it on the y-axis by 90 degrees, let's do a 270. Not 2,270. Let's do 270. Okay. And then now we're going to drag it here, and then we're going to drag it here. Now, it does look a little too small. Maybe? That door looks really small. Okay, like, you look at the door on the left compared to the door, like, it needs to be a little bit bigger. I just cracked myself up. Let's just launch it and see. God, I wish Matthew was here. We're like, you know, like, Not Sure. I'm used to Not Sure not being around. Like, I feel like, is Not Sure going to show up? Well, I'm not sure. It's in his name, Not Sure. But, like, Matthew, you know, I miss that guy. But, you know, friends come and go. It's all right. It's all right. Friends come, friends go. All right, let's see. Okay. Now, if I look at this door, and then I look at this door, right? Like, let me see. I still think it needs to be bigger. Yeah, it needs to be like, I'm going to say 2.1, maybe. It's 1.8 right now. Let's do 2.1. And actually, I wanted to look at the number of batches. 2.1, 2.1, 2.1. Okay. So let me see. Oh my God, switch to dark mode. Why? No, I'm not switching to dark. Look, dark mode is for 15-year-old Finnish hackers. That's it. I am not a 15-year-old Finnish hacker. I'm not. I will never. I am light mode for life, baby. Like, no, I have never. I have tried throughout my years. I have tried and tried to use dark mode. Cannot do it. I hate dark mode. I cannot stand dark mode. Okay, so this door looks a good size. Let me see. If I compare it to this, I think 2.1 was right on. I think 2.1 was pretty good. And then we can, okay. Now, I cannot get in. I don't know why I can't get in. Okay. Let's escape. Okay, so I had a shortcut for a tilde long ago that actually would change the camera mode, but then I undid it, and now I'm not remembering why I undid it. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, tilde? No. Okay. The question is, how far back do I have to go in source code to find it? Right? Like, first of all, where was it? I honestly don't know where it was. Oh, wait. I don't need to do that. Like, I'm an idiot. I forgot that I'm an idiot. Well, I didn't forget I'm an idiot. I forgot that I'm a programmer. No, I forgot about that. I have an idea. Okay. So all I need to do is just go over here and go to the scene view. And let's see. So go over and let's look at the scene view. And okay, well, wait a minute. This doesn't. Okay. So I would say the building even needs to be a little bit bigger, right? Like it's a scale 2.1. I am going to say 2.35. That's just kind of where my mind is going. 2.35. 2.35, and then 2.35. And once I figure out this scale, I'll go ahead and I'll try and change I forget what it is. It's the model. I remember Matthew showing that to me. God, I wish Matthew was here. But I remember you change I think it's the FBX file. You change the scaling on that, and that way your scales are always 1. All right, let me see. All right, so we come over here. Okay, let's stand right here. Okay, wait a minute. That I feel like I could have gone in. Okay, so this is... That's pretty darn close. I still feel like the building needs to be a little bit bigger. Let's keep going. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so I did make it in. That's good. And then I can go up. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, so the camera's... Why would you just have this wall here? That's weird. Okay. And then... Do the doors have no colliders? The doors have no colliders. All right, well, you know. Oh, look at this. This is a nice little... Is this an efficient... Yes, this is a nice efficiency apartment. Wait a minute. Is this the front door? That's the front door. Okay, so we come over here. There's no kitchen. Wait a minute. What's this? Okay. Oh, okay. Here's the kitchen, and then you got to walk through... Okay, there's the bathroom. Okay, so... Okay. All right. Let's calm down for a second. Let's just back up for a second. Let's just chill. Let's chill. Okay. All right. Occlusion. Just chill. And then Element Magic Cards Game says, "Excuse me, it is elemental." I don't know what you're talking about, elemental. I have a feeling that is spam, but that's all right. Okay. So let's just back up for a second. All right, let me send a message over here. What is this talking about? All right. So one thing about speaking Spanish, one thing about typing Spanish on a keyboard, on a Windows keyboard, is I have not taken the time to learn how to do an ñ, right? Because like in Spanish, they have the they have the N, and then is it 141? No. 143? No. 142? I don't remember what it is, but there's a way to do. Let me see. What is the ASCII code? I don't remember what the extended ASCII code is for an ñ. But the thing is if you say feliz año, or something like that, like Happy New Year, Feliz Nuevo Año. Well, if you type Feliz Nuevo Año, what you're saying is you're saying Happy New Anus. If you don't use the ñ, ano is anus, so Happy New Anus. I always remember that. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo 13 años. Why don't you use a mesh collider for the whole map? Why don't I use a mesh collider for the whole map? Why don't I use a mesh collider for the whole map? Well, what? Well, the map's not settled. So wouldn't you? So, okay. I am not a Unity expert, okay? So I just began this project back in like February, so just bear with me, although that is about a year, but I've been working on it on and off for about a year now. And so anyway, so when you say use a mesh collider, you would use my understanding is you would use a mesh collider for the individual elements of the map, right? So like I need to put a collider on this door, which I don't think this door doesn't have one. So if I look at the door, entry door, there's no, well, it does have a box collider, which would make sense, right? It should have and plus mesh colliders are very expensive. Mesh colliders are expensive in terms of performance, right? You would prefer to use like a box collider. I do think this door is, I do think I am colliding with that door though. Let me look. Let me see. Come here. Okay, I am colliding with that door. The camera is clipping through the door, but I am colliding with it. So if I go over here to like to this building, for example, I had to, the doors had the colliders, though I did have to add functionality for the doors to open and close, just like here, like for this one too. And then, man. So, what are my batches? My batches. Ooh, Matthew's not gonna like that. The batches. Oof. Those are expensive batches. It's like a batch count of about 1,500. Oof. Oof, Matthew's not going to like that. It's a good thing he's not here. Jerk. All right, so I was afraid that would happen. I have wondered, like, how... So if I look at the map, like, there's all these buildings in the distance here. Like, if I'm looking at this, how smart is Unity about not processing stuff? I don't know. Is that your game? Is your game for mobile? No. It's the purpose. The target for this game is PC. All right. I think I have fooled around with these enough. I'm worried about the patches. I am worried about the patches. Let me see. Is there like, what is SS? Orb 4 SS. Oh, it looks like there's some materials in it. Oh my gosh. Look at this building. What a great app. This collection of buildings was $25. I would say it was worth every penny. Worth every penny. So Oculision and anybody else listening, I smell food downstairs and I am getting hungry, so I'm going to run downstairs and I'm going to get myself some food. So I'll let me pause the music and no, let me find some copyright. Let me find some post-punk copyright free music. All right, guys. Yeah, give me 3 minutes. I'll be right back. All right, let me turn the camera back on. Okay. So I guess I was just browsing through the prefabs here. Man, these are some good. I'm just impressed by this collection of assets. Like, look at this. Obviously, what was it? I think it was 2.35 was the other one. 2.35. Like, how? Wouldn't you like to have a nice? Wouldn't you have like the night? I can talk. Wouldn't you like to have a nice apartment here, like on the top floor, and this would be? Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this. What a song! Are you talking about the song playing right now? This is What is this? I'll send you a link. Oh, God damn it. I can't send chat messages. I can't send chat messages through frickin' Streamcast. I gotta log in like I'm a frickin' listener, like I'm some common listener. All right, let me see. Oh, look at that handsome guy on screen. Look at that handsome guy. Okay. Okay. So, let's see. Oh, there it is. There's a good building. Where's the entrance? Okay, here we go. Oh, what a great building. What are my batches at? Oh, man. Oh, God. This... The question is, how can we save batches? Like, how can we reduce the batches? Well, then again, am I thinking about premature optimization? Because look at this. I'm still at 50 FPS. I move around 40. If I walk around, like I'm still around 40, 50 FPS. So that's not terrible. I like this building. This is my favorite building so far. This was this one. So what I would like to do is, let's go to the front door. Sorry, I'm gonna eat. Razman. Se dice segmentos. No, Razman. Te estoy mucho enojado porque me dijiste que tengo un acento muy americano. No, tu esposa me dijo que tengo un acento super americano y no me gusta. So, no te hablo. No te hablo no más. Okay. You can use Occlusion culling. How do I do that? Okay. I want to add some functionality first to the front door. Let's start there. No te enojes. No, estoy enojado. Estoy mucho enojado. Oh, that's not even Razman. Este señora Razman. No te hablo. No te hablo tampoco. Okay. So, this is the entry door, right? Let me see something. Okay. That is, okay, so what I want to do, this is going to be tricky. I want to add the door mech component. Okay. Now. Just calm down for a second. Okay. So I want this to open inside. I want it on the inside. Okay. Open rotation. So let's see. Okay. So this open rotation is 180. Because no. That's closed rotation. Closed rotation. So if it's 180, then open rotation should be 90. Closed rotation should be 180, right? So let me try changing this to 90. Did it open? Oh, come on. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Down, 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 down. Okay. Okay, that looks good. So, let me go back here. Change this back to 180. Okay, now, if this works, I'm going to thank Oculision for his suggestion of Oculision culling. It's well known for 3D optimization, helps save a lot of FPS. But is it so? Okay, Oculision culling. All right, I'll look that up in a second. I have no idea what it is. Let me see if this functionality works. I'm sorry for eating. Pero Razman y señora Razman merecen escuchar cuando estoy comiendo. Merecen. Is that how you say it? Mereces? Merecen. Sí, merecen. Se merecen. I always forget the stupid se te. It's all right. Like the reflexive pronouns like se, te, me, they're not so bad. I'll tell you what is really bad in Spanish. What is really, really bad in Spanish. If you're learning Spanish, there is one word that makes no sense. And it's a little tiny word. It's a very, very little tiny word. And it makes no fucking sense. And that, of course, is the word ya. Because sometimes it means already. Sometimes it means now. Sometimes it means not yet. Sometimes it means yes. Sometimes like ya literally can mean whatever you want it to mean. Like it is a ridiculous word. I remember somebody. It took me a while to learn that, like, if I'm expecting somebody to come over, right? And like I'm waiting for them to like text me when they arrive so that I can go down and like let them in. And then they would write, "Ya llegó." And I'm like, "Okay, I'm coming down." And they're like, "No, I'm not there right now." But you just said "Ya llegó," like I've already arrived. No. That means, because "Ya llegó" means I'm going to arrive soon. If you want to say I'm here, you say "Ya llegué," which is in the past. I have already arrived. Like, oh my god, I hate "ya." Okay, let's see if this works. All right, we come up here. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, it did not work. It's not working. All right. Oh, I know why it might not work. I need to bring the changes from the prefab into the model on the scene. So let me see. Okay. Is that what I want? Corridor, doors. Door entry. Okay. All right. No, that's good. There's the door mech script I added to the door. Okay, that's good. Ahorita. No, ahorita. I think ahorita is pretty self-explanatory, I think. Ahorita is like right now, isn't it? Like ahora is now. Ahorita is like right now. At least that's why. Yeah. Tus sueños comiendo como un gringo. That's it. I'm banning you, Razman. You're banned. I'm banning you. How do I kick you? Well, I'm going to figure out how to kick you from the chat room in a minute, but you're banned. You're so banned. Your Discord link is invalid. Is it? Let me try. All right. Let me invite to server. All right. Copy. Now I gotta go back. Gotta go back over here. Oh no. Ya is not complicated part. The difference is you go and you go. Oh, actually, you go and you go that's actually I find that not to be too complicated. Ya is a very because ya like I said, sometimes it means already, sometimes it means now, sometimes it means not yet, sometimes it means yes, sometimes like it. Okay, try that link for the Discord server. All right, let me see. Okay, so I'm hoping. Oh, it reverted the scale. That's okay though. That's okay. We can still. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Why did it that? Let me see something. Okay, what did we say the scale was? 2.35? 2.35. 2.35. Hi guys, cat down. Hello. Okay, so now that we got this scale working, I want to know why, like, it should just work, right? There's no reason it should just work. 2.35. Do I need to save it? Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, no, I did save it. I saved it. Okay, then if I go to the scene, oh my God. Okay, let me see. What? All right, let's just try this. So did everybody have a good New Year? What did you guys do for New Year's? I did nothing. I was in bed by 10 o'clock. I did nothing. Oh, and Matthew. Oh, look who decides to show up. Look who decides to make an appearance. Mr. Matthew. Mr. Englishman himself, Matthew. With the excuse, I did not know about the live stream. You don't... Who's... No. Oh, I'm not talking to you, Matthew. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to Razman. I'm not talking to Mrs. Razman. I'm only talking to Oculision. That's it. Oculision. And I'm going to figure out Oculision calling without Matthew's help. Oculision calling without Matthew's help. Nope. I'm going to do it. I'm not talking to you, Matthew. I'm mad at you. Okay. Why isn't this working, though? Okay, so it's not working. I don't know why yet. I will know why soon, but I don't know why yet. It has the Dormex script on it. So my Raycast does it. Oh, the door might not have a collider. So this has a collider. Door entry 4 has a collider. But the door object on which I put the script does not. Oculision says I have a lot of exams. What are you studying, Oculision? What are your exams in? Now, wait a minute. It's January 2nd. Who's in school right now? Well, maybe you're not American. Maybe you're not American. I'm going to finish this. I'm going to finish this, and then I'm banning Razman and Mrs. Razman. No. I'm going to ban both of them. I'm going to think about banning Matthew. I might just ban him. I'm a student. Well, I figure as much. What are you studying? Let me see. So, I don't know why the collider is on this thing. What if... What's going to happen if I put a box collider on this one as well? Right? So the parent will have a collider, and then a child will have. Okay, so the box. Okay, let's just put a collider on it just for giggles. Let's see what happens. Box collider. So now, well, let me bring all the changes over to here. Okay, they got brought over automatically. Now I think it should work. If I ban Razman, do I get to stay? I don't know. I gotta think about it. Because the problem with banning Razman, like, wait, Oculision, were you in here the other night? Did I ask you the same question the other night? I'm 16. Holy cow! Wow. No, the problem with banning Razman is even if he's banned, he's still going to come in. Like, I mean, it's not like banning him from certain places that ever stopped them before. So, you know, just saying. Okay, let's see if this works now. I think this is going to work. I think we got this. Oh, damn it! I was so close. Wait. Okay, the box collider's there. Huh. What the hell am I listening to? This is much better. All right, let me check over on Twitch. I'm dual streaming on Twitch. I feel like I got to give some love to Twitch just to see if there's anybody there. Hysterical homatologist. Oh, best viewers. Oh, we went over this already. All right. So never mind. Natural scientists. No, I feel like you were here the other night, Oculision. Was that you, or was that somebody else that was also studying some like kind of semi-ridiculous kind of subject? But you're 16, so I can't poke fun at you. You're 16. You're 16. You're a kid. You're still finding your way. No, can't make fun of you. Can't make fun of you. If you were 26. In studying natural sciences, then I would make fun of you. But you're 16, so it's acceptable right now. All right, I got to figure out why this isn't working. No, I'm new. All right, then who? It was somebody else that was studying. What were they studying, Matthew? You were here. What was that guy studying? I want to say it was something like natural sciences. I want to say it was something like that. But he was, I think he was 18. He was 18 or 19. Okay, so let's try to figure out why this isn't working. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a good old-fashioned breakpoint. But I have to figure out where to put the breakpoint. Here? Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Maybe. Yes. Okay. So, no. The door mech script it is from Interactable, so it should be fine. Okay, so let me see. If I go breakpoint here and I do start, wasn't it Yosef? I don't know his name. He uses like 5. It might have been Yosef. I don't remember. Okay, so let's see. That's why I have you, Matthew. No, I'm not talking to you, Matthew. No, I'm not talking to you. I'm mad at Matthew. I'm not talking to him. Nope. Okay, so I'm hoping for a break on the left-hand side. I'm hoping for a breakpoint here. Okay. Let me see. All right. It didn't happen. I'm extending a raycast. Huh. And if I press Q, no, Q. Yeah, Q. Okay. All right. Why isn't this working? I assume, let's make sure, okay, here we go. Is hit just null? Hit is not null. Okay, what did hit hit? Hit. What's the collider? Door entry 4. That's door underscore entry underscore 4, but it's saying it's saying it does not have an interactable, right? Interactable's null. Okay. Door underscore entry underscore 4. Let's look at that. That's that. That's that right there. Oh, wait a minute. 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 Didn't I tell you to just wait a minute? Okay, just wait a minute. I have an idea. I've got this. I'm going to disable the box collider on the child. That was my brilliant idea. Wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Okay, just okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Center. Huh. I'm a little confused, but let's try this. Ah, yes. Remove the child collider. Only have one. I'm not talking to you, Matthew. I'm not talking to you. You can, no. I'm not. I'm very, very upset with you. And honestly, this might be it. This might be it. Although I have a bad habit of breaking up with people like 6 or 7 times before I actually break up with them. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm not. Oh. Okay. It kind of works. Okay. I know what to do. I think I know what to do. I don't know what to do. Wait. I've got it. I am going. So look at how all of these have values. Like these all have like 0, negatives, 1, 2, and as opposed to this one, which is just like nothing. I don't think this is going to work since one is a child, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the values of this. Yes. And then I'm just going to paste it into here. I don't know if that's going to work. And I see Matthew over there typing something, but I'm not talking to him. So I'm not even going to look. I'm not looking. I'm not looking because I'm mad at him. Nope. I have not forgiven him yet. Nope. I don't care how English he is. I'm not forgiving him. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, that didn't work. No, that actually made things worse. Okay. Okay. And I didn't think it would work. I kind of figured it wouldn't work. Wait. Oh, the box collider wasn't enabled. All right, I'm still ignoring him. Maybe my brilliant idea did work. I need to get my back scratcher, my handy dandy back scratcher. So back when before I cut my hair, and I had combs everywhere because I would comb my hair. But now that my beard is getting a little longer again, I've been combing my beard a lot. So I have combs all over the house. I have combs and I have back scratchers. So I've talked about this before, how I spend, not counting my bed or the toilet, there are 3 places where I spend the majority of my time in the house. That is this office, that's my office downstairs, and it's the couch in the living room downstairs. I have, in each of those 3 locations, I have a back scratcher and a comb. And it's great. Okay. All right. No, I'm not reading Matthew, but Occlusion says, oh my God, LMAO. Yep, that's how I feel too. But I'm not reading Matthew's messages because I'm mad at him. Okay, let me see. Does this work? It worked. It worked because I'm fucking genius. Oh, wait. There is a minor in the room. I am a freaking genius. That's why. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to read Matthew's messages. Now that I got it to work without his help, I will read his messages. I'm not talking directly to you. I'm just shouting into the crowd. Click the gizmos button in the top right in scene view and see what the collider see the collider could be badly positioned. It did work, but you also copied the fact that it's disabled. Yes, he's figuring it out without me. Occlusion, could you please ban Matthew? Could you ban Matthew, please? Actually, Razman, before you get banned, could you ban Matthew, please? Thank you. And then ban yourself. Okay, so I need to change this on the prefab, but wait, can I just do, I should be able to just do apply. Apply all overrides to prefab. Yes. Okay, so that worked. All right, so let's just make sure it worked again. Let's just test it again. Matthew's laughing. You hack NASA. Oh wait, what happened to that message? Did you delete it?
Before I pump your guts full of lead. All right, Johnny, I'm sorry. I'm going.
All right. No, I want to listen to something else. I don't want to listen to this. Not Sure is not here, so since Not Sure is not here, I'm going to listen. I'm not listening to Russian post-punk. I'm supposed to meet with Not Sure. He like sent me a message and he's like, ASL, and I'm like, no, dude, I'm not into it. And he's like, you want a dick pic? And I'm like, no. And he's like, do you want to meet up? And I'm like, all right, we can meet up. All right, so let's just make sure this works. Okay, that works. Okay, so now all of these doors need the same thing done, essentially. I don't know why I backed up and started running towards it like it would work, but wait, it did for a second. Oh no, it's just the camera clipping through. Okay, so what we can do now, we have the door entry. What's this one? This is door 5 apartment. Oh, okay. That's a great song. So, okay. Wait. Would you just calm down for a second? I've got this. Just Razman, just be quiet. Stop messaging. Just Razman, just stop for a second. I've got this. I've got it. So, I think, okay. Oh, wait, does that go outside? Oh, that does go outside. Oh, ooh. Okay, so it's opening in. So 90 is what I want. 90 is open. 0 is closed. So if I add the door mech script to this, it has the box collider already. So I just said 90 is open, 0 is closed. And that should, in theory, be all I need to do for that door. Let's see. Let's see. Let's test it out. Okay, come over here. No. Wait, where'd that door go? Shouldn't the door be like here? I'm so confused. Okay. This is the door. Oh, it's not opening. It's not. Wait. What? Okay. I think the collider is poorly positioned. But also, wait. What? What just happened? Did you guys see that? Am I on drugs? I mean, I am. But what? The door opens to a wall. Okay. That's like a bug in the model. Who the F made a building with a missing room? Well, this is the same guy who made the building we've been using, Matthew. Oh, wait, I'm not talking to Matthew. If anybody asked who made this model, it's the same guy who made the building we've been using. You know, the building that we love, this one. It's the same guy. And he had an asset with like 80 or not 80 with 8 or 9 different buildings for $25. So I just went ahead and bought it. So that's what we're fooling around with. Though I do question why this is like why that's there. That's weird. I think the thing to do here is to just remove the ability to open the door. Excuse me. Let's just remove that. Okay. So, but let's try the other ones. Oh, modular? Yes, it's modular. It's all modular. So, I guess in theory I should be able to stack floors. I should be able to create a skyscraper, right? But before you got here, no, I'm not talking to Matthew. Before, like, if you're English, and before any Englishmen got into the chat room, I was talking about how I was concerned with the number of batches. So actually, the batches have gone down. Okay, there we go. So the batches are like 1,600 there, but if I come over, huh? I feel like getting drunk. I'm tempted to get drunk. Well, my alcohol's downstairs. I'm not going to get drunk. Anyway. Okay. So, but like I said, the number of batches is like, I mean, now it's almost 2,000, but then it drops to 700. So, and then Oculision was saying to use what was it called? Oculision? It was Oculision Colon. I wanted to see what Oculision Colon is. Okay, let me see. I'm going to ask. Okay. In my game, sometimes I see batches upwards of 1,600. One of my viewers, wait, what are they? They're not called viewers. They're okay, whatever. One of my viewers named Oculision, not Matthew, because Matthew is gay, recommended that I use Oculision Colon to reduce the batches. Matthew, who is gay, offered no help. What is Oculision Colon? Let's see what this says. Friends, Oculision Colon. Yeah. What? Oh, thank you, Matthew. Okay, Oculision Colon. Thank you for correcting my spelling. Let's see. Is rendering optimization used in game engines to avoid drawing objects the player can't actually see. I was talking about that earlier. I literally said, like, is Unity smart enough to not draw things that aren't on the screen? I literally asked that question earlier. Oculision, you were here. Razman, you were here, but you're not here anymore. Okay, the core idea, you're standing in a hallway. There are 50 rooms behind a wall. With Oculision Colon, the GPU may still render objects in those rooms. With Oculision Colon, the engine says the wall blocks them, don't bother. Okay. I don't care how this difference, why you are seeing. In Unity, high batch counts usually means lots of separate meshes, different materials, and objects being rendered that don't need to be. Unity happily renders everything the camera can see, quote, even through walls. How Oculision Colon works. You mark static geometry, walls, buildings, terrain. Unity divides the world into cells, It calculates from cell A which objects are actually visible. At runtime, Unity only renders objects visible in the current cell. Okay, just tell me how to do it. High-level steps. Mark static geometry as static. Okay, so I would, especially walls, floors, and buildings. Open window rendering, Occlusion culling. Window. Can I just say yes? Occlusion culling. Oh, can I just say yes? Yes. Oh, wait a minute. Door 1 apartment. Is it just listing the things I'm looking at? That's interesting. Bake. All right. I think we'll do that at a later date. All right. Now that I know what occlusion culling is, no thanks to Matthew because he's gay. But thanks to my new BFF, Occlusion, then maybe we'll I do think it's interesting that Occlusion just happened to recommend Occlusion culling when he's named Occlusion. All right. Enjoy Not Sure 416. What are you talking about? It's Not Sure. You got me all excited thinking Not Sure was in the room. Is he? No, he's not. You know, like if Not Sure was here, like it's like getting the crowd back together. Like, you know, the band is back together. You know, me, Matthew, and Not Sure against the world. Yeah, Occlusion hanging out too. Woo! All right. Occlusion isn't a thing. Shut up. It is a thing. How do I ban Matthew? Okay. You're saying it wrong. Your mom's saying it wrong. How's that? Ooh, burn. Not Sure sent 2 messages. Where is he? Wait, I see Mrs. Not Sure is here. What is that? Okay, who the fuck is the missing room? Okay, I do not see Not Sure. I swear to God, if Matthew makes me scroll up. No, this is not nice. I don't like any of you. Please ban Matthew. Please. Okay, what do I want to do now? Okay, so I think I want to move on from these assets. I have an idea how they work now, but there was something else I wanted to do, and I don't know what it was. Let me just go ahead and delete this. It's all saved. Okay, let me save this. All right. Occlusion culling. Okay, well, how the hell do you pronounce it then? How do you pronounce occlusion? Occlusion. Occlusion. Okay, how do you pronounce it? Occlusion culling. Occlusion. I don't like it. I like occlusion because ocular is like with the eyes. Ocular, like no, I don't like this. This is probably how Matthew is mandated to say it, or else he's going to get locked up, because that's what they do over in England. They just lock people up for saying things the wrong way or saying the wrong things. Oh God. So all my life, I have resisted chapstick. I don't believe in chapstick. I don't like chapstick. I just do. I've resisted it for years. And what do I have today? What do I have? I have chapped lips. And so what did I buy at 7-Eleven? 7-Eleven is a store that sells freedom, in case you didn't know, Matthew, because I know you don't have that over in England. But what did I buy at 7-Eleven today? I bought chapstick. I mean, they sell chapstick and freedom. So I bought chapstick. Okay. All right. That's enough making fun of Matthew. There's something. What did I want to do? Wait, let's look on the to-do list. Like, that might actually help. What a great song. That was a good song. Let's just go back to this song, though. You want to talk about, like, just a rough couple of days? What a rough couple of days, man. Just what a couple of days. All right, let's see. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. You know what? Oculision. That's his new name. And that's actually how he spells it. Oculision. You know what? I was going to say, he's 16. You're 16, Oculision. I have a little bit of advice for you. Like, I'm a little bit older than 16, just like slightly older than 16. Here's my advice. How can I put this in a way that a 16 that's appropriate for a 16-year-old? That's the challenging part right there. Here's my advice. Stay single forever. Like forever. Just like forever. Just never fall in love. Never get a girlfriend or a boyfriend, whatever you just whatever it is, just don't do it. Just you know, you go, you have your fun, you're gonna have fun, sure, but like the second you start to think that like you are like, oh, you know what, maybe I want to take this into the next step, maybe I want to like this to be a little bit serious. First, punch yourself. Second, like punch yourself again, and then third, just don't do it. Just move on. Just don't do it. It's not worth the trouble. It's not worth the trouble. So that's my advice to you, Oculision, is just don't do it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not. Nope. Not worth it. Okay, what did we want to do? Okay, so add hover text on to all applicable things. So this was really a refactoring job is what this was. And I accomplished that today. I did that this morning when Matthew wasn't here, because he hasn't been here in forever. So actually a lot of things that I've done recently were when Matthew wasn't here because he wasn't here. But I did refactor the drawers and the doors, and I think we can close this bug. And actually, in closing this bug, I think I'm going to go ahead and create a PR and close the PR, or merge the PR. I'm sorry. So let's see. And Oculision says, thank you. No, I'm serious. Like, just don't do it. So like at 16, the thing is at 16, you probably are even like I had my first serious girlfriend at 16. Like I had my first and I was like madly in love, and I was going to spend the rest of my life with this girl. Thank God I didn't, because now she's 50. Oh, Jesus, gross. But it's fleeting. It's all fleeting. And like the thing is like never mind. I've said too much. I'm not saying anymore. Okay, let's see. Here we go. We want this one right here. That's the branch we want. We're going to create a pull request. This is a bunch of miscellaneous work. How do you spell miscellaneous? Does anybody know? A bunch of I think there's 2 L's. Lanius? Boom! Whoa! First try. Well, wait, let me make sure it's actually it. Okay, no, it might not have been it. I was expecting there to be a red squiggly. Okay, how do you spell? Okay, how do you spell miscellaneous? I did get it. I like how Mrs. Razman laughs at my advice of never getting a girlfriend or a boyfriend, or just never. Like, she's laughing because she knows I'm right. She knows I'm right. It's all right. No. I'm sure that Mr. and Mrs. Razman, like no. They're the exception, Occulusion. They are the exception. The rule is much darker. It's much darker. A bunch of miscellaneous changes that I'm going to merge. Okay? All right. Summary. Matthew is a gay wanker. That's my summary. And then I'm going to create the pull request. Ugh. Okay. So we got this, and we got this. Okay. So did I don't remember. Do pull requests, do they build? Did I set up? I can't remember. I'm just going to go ahead and merge because you only live once, right? I need an emoji for this. Eggplant. Nope. Okay, there we go. Right there. Perfect. Okay, it's merged. Shall we play a game of chess? Oh wait, what's happening here? Oh my fucking god. Fucking Unity! Oh my fucking god! Oh my god, Unity! Oh my god! Oh my god! It doesn't say the fuck out! Oh my god! Oh, that's infuriating! What did I merge? I don't even know what I merged! Oh my god! I didn't even check that in. Oh my god. Nope. I'm an idiot. I'm just a fucking idiot. Okay, calm down, Addie. It's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. Just calm down. Just calm down. All right, what we're going to do, we're just going to do this git checkout master. Git pull rebase. Git stash pop. Come on. Come on. Oh, I'm so I cannot stand Unity sometimes. Git stash pop. What did I do? What did I do? Git reset. I have no idea what state master is in now. Like literally none. None. What the hell happened? Oh my god. Matthew, I never have this problem. I never have this problem. Oh my god, ban him. Ban him. All right, I'm just going to go with master. Just like whatever's in master, I'm going with it. That's it. That is, I don't know what state, because fucking Unity doesn't know how to save the fucking files. Oh my god, it is so infuriating. And again, it's because Unity was designed and written by a bunch of fucking women. I'm sorry, Mrs. Razman. That's no insult. I mean, that is an insult, but that's Unity. It was just, okay, I shouldn't say women. It was designed by a bunch of fucking PMs. Same difference. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's infuriating. Oh my god. You know what? Yeah. Nope. Yeah. Occulusion, you shouldn't be listening right now. I'm a little angry, but oh my god, that's infuriating. I'm just pushing the master. I don't care. I hate Unity. You know what? We're switching over to Unreal. We're going to do this in Unreal. Because I bet Unreal doesn't do that. I bet Unreal doesn't fucking leave the .unity file dirty because like, oh, well, why would you want to say that? You really want to say that? Like, you don't want to say, oh my God. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, I like, it's all these little stupid decisions that Unity has done. You have to, you have to press Control S. I hate you. Unreal is fucking worse. I don't believe you. I think Matthew thinks Unreal is worse because Unreal is designed for men, whereas Unity is designed for women. That's why Matthew thinks it's worse. That's why. Convinced. And I apologize, Mrs. Razman. I apologize. Okay. I can't program anymore tonight. Or I can't, whatever this was called. If this was called programming, I don't know. But I can't do it anymore tonight. I can't. I'm going to play a game of chess, and then I'm probably going to get really angry because I've lost a game of chess, and then I'm signing off. I can't do it. Let's play a game of chess. Okay. Unreal is designed for one game genre and has shat performance. I don't believe you. I'm going to do a 30-minute game. I'm going to take my time. Take this sweet old time with this game. Okay. Now, we got to remember checks, captures, attacks. That is the key. You have to ask yourself, checks, captures, attacks every time. Okay, he didn't do what I thought. Okay, there. Now is this coming out? No. Okay, he's trying to prevent me from going there. I'll just go here. Is he coming down? No? Okay. He's surprising me. I'll just come here. Okay, but I got to slow down. Like, it's already a little fast. Right? Like, I could go here, attacking this. He might take, but then, no, he won't take, because I'll just take with my queen. You know, we'll just come here. And then probably castle. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so he just backs up. Go here. I could go knight to e4. It's not really threatening anything. Okay, checks. Do I have any checks? Gotta ask yourself the question. Do I have any checks? I do not. Do I have any captures? I could capture this, but that doesn't really get me anything. I could capture this, but that doesn't really get me anything. I could capture this, but I just lose material. Attacks. Can I attack anything? Not of substance, right? Like, I'm not, let's just castle. We'll just castle. Checks, captures, attacks. I'm ready for bed. It's not even 7 o'clock. I'm ready for bed. Fucking unreal. All right, I'm just going to, if I take, he takes, but he might fork me. That's the problem. So if I take, he takes, forking me. I can't take back. I think if I come down here, he's not going to go there. He could go here. Let's just bring the horsey back. I'll attack him. I should go to sleep. Bye, Addy. Occulusion, thanks for hanging out. It was good meeting you. I'll be back Monday, 6 p.m. my time. I don't know what time it is where you are. Go to sleep. Good luck on your exams. Like I said, I'll be back Monday, 6 p.m. Have a good night. All right. I think I'm going to attack. Okay. Attack. He'll maybe take. Everything is just push up. I gotta check. The check, he'll probably come forward. And I go here. Attacking his queen. He'll move his queen over. Oh my god, if he moves his queen ooh, no, that won't work. Let's just do the check. And then I can win this. And then I can come back here. He'll push up. He'll come here. If he goes there, no. Either way, I could come here. That doesn't get me very much, though. I think I'm just going to come here. If I go here, he takes, I take. He pushes, I take. Or I go there. Yeah, I guess that's fair. Let's do that. He'll come down here. It was kind of a shitty day today. It's kind of a shitty day. It's kind of a shitty couple of days, actually. But, like, what will the new year have in store for me? Is this the year of Addy? In some good news, well, it might not be good news. It's not good news for my stream. I could take... What's he threatening? I mean, that's kind of a useless move. What's he going to do? He's going to come here? What if I take? He pushes. I take. He comes over. Here threatening his queen. I come over here. I do knight to e7. His queen will be under attack. He could win this. Oh, he might win that pawn. I could take this. He pushes down. Then I'm protecting the pawn. Or I come here attacking his queen and protecting the pawn. I like that. I'm going to do that. This. Yeah. Attack the queen and protect the pawn. Is he going to do something stupid? I hope he does do something stupid. I feel like he might attack, like he might take my bishop, in which case I'll just recapture with the queen. Okay. I wasn't quite expecting that. That's different. Okay. All right. I could go back here. No. I go here. Okay. Checks, captures, attacks, right? Checks. What checks do I have? I don't think I have any checks right now. Excuse me. Captures. Again, I still have this, but that just doesn't do much of anything. I have this. Doesn't do much of anything. I could capture that. This pawn here, the pawn on e3, doesn't do much of anything. He takes. I kind of want to get my queen out of where it's at. So maybe I'll move my knight here. And then my queen will be free to come here. Which, okay, let's just move the knight here. If he brings his queen back, well, not there. You can't do that. That's an illegal move. If he brings his queen back here, I'm literally just going to put my knight back, and I have no problem. I have no problem going to a draw. Okay, so he is attacking my bishop. Wait, did he take something? He did. He took my knight. All right, so I'll take his knight. Oh, if only I had a light squared bishop. Oh well. Okay. So, what could we do? I mean, is that pawn really worth protecting? Maybe. Maybe. On the bright side, if he takes that pawn, I attack. He most likely will take this guy here. I have an idea. I have an idea. I have an idea. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move my bishop here, hoping he takes this. He'll take that. Okay, let's start over. Let's start over. Bishop here. He takes this pawn. I move over. He takes this pawn. I come up, pinning his queen to the king. Will this happen? You think this will happen? Let's give it a shot. Okay. Hopefully he takes this. Take it. Come on. You know you want to. You know you want to take that pawn. You know. Oh, look. It's a juicy, juicy pawn. Juicy, juicy. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. That's a different move than I was expecting. Okay. Okay. Now he's looking at the pawn for sure. For sure. All right. I can protect it. He's going to take. Let's protect the bishop. But if I think I want to go here. Yeah. Let's go here. He's attacking this. He can have that. Like, I really don't care. I'm up at peace, so he can have that pawn. That's fine. Now, he might... What's he going to do? Is he going to attack this? I think I'm going to start with a pawn attack. Okay, so he took that. That's fine. I hate chess. I really don't like chess. Yes. Yasman says yes. I don't know what she's saying yes to. Or Mrs. Razman. I'm sorry. Mrs. Razman is saying yes to something. I am so tired, boys. I'm exhausted. I'm ready to go to bed. What if I go here? I don't know if that gets me anything. Should I just come back? My trick didn't work. I can come back. If I come back and then I take, then I go here, check. Let's see what happens. Let's just go back. Attacking. He's going to take this. And that's fine. I was not particularly attached to that pawn. Although I was up by 3, and I'm a little disappointed now that I'm only up by 2, and I'm about to be up only by 1. Assuming he takes that pawn. If he does, I can go here. He'll go here. I can come up, check. He'll go to the back rank, maybe? If he does go to the back rank... Oh. Do I take with the queen or do I take with the pawn? I think I take with the queen. I take with the queen because then I keep these 3 connected, these 3 pawns connected, and I keep these 3 pawns connected. Now he's going to take this pawn here, right? I assume he is. I'll move over. He'll take this other pawn, right? So I'm going to move over here. Now he might take this since it's doubly guarded. Let's see what he does. I do a check. Oh, geez. Okay. All right. You want to play like that? I can play like that, bitch. Here. No. If I take, he takes. What if I go here? All right, let me see. I go here. Ooh, no. He takes. I got to be careful back rank mate, right? Like if I go here, he takes, I take, he takes. No, I can't take back, so that's not a good exchange. What if I just take, he takes. I could just move out of the way. Come over. Force his queen. I mean, put pressure on his king. I'm up a piece, but he's got more pawns than I do. I go protect this pawn. No, I'm going to double up on this pawn. He can have that one. That's fine. I wasn't particularly attached to that pawn anyway. I'm going to bring this over, maybe create breathing room for my king. I don't know. I don't know anything. Oh, boy. There's that. I'm about ready to resign. This is what happens with me in chess. I get bored. I'm just resigning. I gotta sign off. Ugh. All right. I'm done. I'm done for the day, boys. I'm not gonna bother streaming tomorrow. The tower should be C8. Well, now you tell me. Now you tell me, Mrs. Rasman. All right. I dropped all my cards. All right. Thanks for joining, guys. I'm so tired. I am so tired. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll be back Monday at 6 p.m. I'll probably stream over the weekend. Sunday is going to be hell for me. I have a colonoscopy Monday morning. Oh, that's the thing. That's the other thing I wanted to mention. Yes. So I have a colonoscopy Monday morning. If I do not stream Monday evening, then you know the colonoscopy was bad news. Let's just put it that way. And then, but oh my God, I'm going to be so hungry Sunday. I'm going to be really cranky. I'm probably not going to stream, but I'll probably stream tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. I'm going to pig the fuck out is what I'm going to do tomorrow. All right, guys. Thank you. Mrs. Razman, your band. Mr. Razman, your band. Matthew, your band. Oculision, you're my new BFF. Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.